I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and app. Close heavy apps, pause uploads, and switch to the network you want to measure. Make sure the speed test app has permission to access location and network info, then open it. Once done, select the closest server in the app. This reduces latency and gives a more accurate measure. Now tap the single prominent start or go button to initiate the sequence. The app will run ping, download, then upload tests automatically while showing live meters. You now watch the test run through 3 phases: ping first, then download, then upload. Pay attention to jitter and spikes. These indicate instability even if average Mbps looks fine. While the test runs, avoid switching networks or moving the device. Physical movement can change signal strength. Once a run completes, repeat the test 2 more times at slightly different times of day for consistency. Make sure to note server location and any background activity that might skew results so you understand what the numbers mean. You finish by interpreting the numbers. Compare median download and upload Mbps to your plan and check ping against expected ranges. If speeds are below expectations, reboot the router, move closer to the access point, or switch to a 5 GHz band. For stubborn issues, test using an Ethernet cable to isolate Wi-Fi problems. If problems persist, record timestamps and results from multiple runs, then contact your ISP with that evidence. One key troubleshooting tip: always test wired versus wireless to pinpoint whether the issue is Wi-Fi or the connection itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.